Hi everybody, this is Nick. I wanted to come to you with a quick Excel tip for when you want to split up different sets of text inside your cells, and Excel is pretty smart. They have this feature called Flash Fill. So right here you can see you might have a really long column. This is just a short tester column, but you might have a long column with lots of rows of people's full names. Maybe it's your employees' full names, staff, volunteers, whatever you're working with here, and you want them to be separated into first name and last name here. All you need to do is go ahead in this first cell right here and type in that first name, the person that you want to do, push enter, and now go back to that cell right here, and under the data tab up here in Excel, go all the way over to this button under data tools that says Flash Fill. When you click this, it's going to smartly fill down that column in all of the first names that you have there split up by that space. You can do the same thing right here. We're going to go ahead and say Vischer, and now I'm going to go ahead, click on that cell again, click on Flash Fill, and now all of your names here that were living in one single cell are now split into two different cells, first name and last name columns. Perfect little tip for when you want to start cleaning up your Excel spreadsheets in a fast way. I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually Excel, PowerPoint, or Word. I had a great time making this for you. I hope you had a great time watching, and I can't wait to see you all next time.